My people, no be small thing o. As e stand right now, they say that okwuluora the people wey okwuluora say they kidnap am o, they don come outside, they come talk for the space of social media for this voice note wey we go play you for here. Come hear wetin they talk o. They say na okwuluora willingly give them 500,000. Say there's no other money that was taken from okwuluora account. I remember a few days ago, okwuluora said that he went to the place called Umakaninjaba in Imo State. They kidnapped him for inside that area. The people wey carry okwuluora, they say they be security, and na then see okwuluora. They say they don't collect any other money apart from the 500,000 wey okwuluora willingly give them. I go play the video. May you listen to this voice note before we come back and continue.
Una mano nwolo onye kidnap okwuluora. Okwuluora just be online. Wole encounter ya na ndị security nwe. Not to a lot of people ego. Actually, chọtala m ebele data. Can you get these voice notes from those people kidnap okwuluora because he kugo first na he blue kale okwuluora. Fe kechile anya, fa analole ya phone, fe detain le ato. But okwuluora be online, say na detain we analole ya phone, he withdraw all the money. Just get them this voice note. Kun phone okwuluora si wala ebele opportunity. Not to Nigeria ago.
My brother, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, when you get Mr. Fineman, fine boy. Are you Mr. Franklin by name?
Yes.
Okay. There's someone that sent me your number. Let me speak my language. I'm Igbo guy. And when I said I'm your line. And I would like this thing I'm telling you to be recorded. You can put it in record. Because it's important.
Okay.
Yeah. If you put it in record, you let me know. If your phone is being recorded, just let me know.
Excuse me, man.
I said, man. I'm like if you're going to keep it in record with reason.
Okay. No, let me record it now.
Okay.
Hold on, my brother.
Be recorded.
Okay, my brother. Yeah, I got it as record.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm Mr. Fine Boy. That is what is it Omero or something like that is man.
Okay.
Yeah. One of the commander when I show you I'm one fine man, not if you understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this is what I'm hearing now. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, because I wanted to debunk this now. I know how I got your line. Because I'm not going to contact Imo State.
Yes.
So come direct to the point. The day, we are security in this side. Everybody know that and we're better man in Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. We're better man. This guy na okwuluora Daruru Oeba Umuaka. Yeah, he came to Umuaka because when he came, he lost. And how security is, any security personnel, he lost, but all look so tangible and all look somehow suspicious.
Okay.
The process, my boy is not coming that then when some healers also beggar this side. We're thinking that maybe all those people coming to attack, Abraham may attack. But the healers on the information we're having is the only one is one healers. But all than that, there were email attack. They can't easily use one healers. Then we'll use more. The healers know they come. It's a more tanker. I'm not healers like I will few, but a more tanker will be like 20, 30, or 15.
Okay.
That's okay. Maybe before another fire, I think I name innocent people. Something happened to them. That's okay. Let them first check very well. That whether okay. The information we have that don't want and don't go away stand. And I'm sure this guy, after everyone with this guy, that's all okwuluora by name, no moving to this. They say now forward the name for me. Let me follow this guy online. I'm this guy. Happen here. After me monyo, come matter more the person now. Okay, I was like 30 minutes because my me Abraham time. I wait like 30 or 35 minutes because such a too close. Come ma bata, you know. Ma bata boy ya for ya. If you have taken a nigga, I'm going to take it to conversation there. Yeah. After everything, when conversation, ma say, Mr. Korola, like him, that's okay. Ma jo, anyone work? Yeah, actually, one person when you work, you want that chile me, yeah, also. With one guy like that, because there are 3 number, yeah. My body got yeah, for like me, yes, money we talk very well. I won't go here catch doya, yam choga no ma for kware. If I'm fine, catch this guy, if I'm choga in this planet, whatever, every month to win. Because I am 100% sure for something. That's it. I'm fine way to get your number. I'm how what it takes to get your number. Yeah, I was a mother magazine she ketana. That's not me to go and listen to this guy again. You know, ma who this guy, money which I may have address, so much fine. Ma join my boy, ma join all those guys. And when I know, I see Muhuji Mote and some of your phone, that's and some passports. Ma say, ma go and say, when everything belongs to this guy and hand this guy over. In my present there, I didn't left. We moved to the park here. Okay. With a phone near. It's a 12 phone. 1 iPhone, Samsung, and 1 Redmi. So when they call so young so 1 phone, and you only got so young so 2 phone here. Master learn how to own young motor here. That is Takuma or something like that. 1 Takuma. Yeah. That's okay. Boone Hill or Sonia B. So Hill or Sonia B. My is a matter of say I'm going to what game anyone. I'm the one that said this. You man keep game anyone game anyone. Yeah, say master you got 1 bag of rice of an goal. This is what I use. That's him. Why who check in account here? I will actually do. Master no, me on that dress. No, my man. You couldn't carry me now. Them, I can't try that option. Or yes, when you told me you're free to go. Yes, okay, okay. Yeah, you join on the each day. On a pana, ngam sure, give me 500,000 naira. Question now. Oh, it's not 500,000. I'm chop each man who carry. Come on, also, even move him to win. If we matter one down him natural. Yes, so me phone. I saw them 500,000 naira. Master fine. I did talk the 500,000. The master took him ngam na hoku. Not so get 500,000 naira. On your money. Me husband now we're hearing that the I'm a high test now. I'm also now because we are into law here. My driver out. Reaching the next day. Now my boy I became hand there because same organ. Now who's 400,000 naira at the guy in Mas you dealing and Gakusha 100,000 naira. This is what I said. She just like 100,000 naira 400,000 naira. That's okay. Alpha. Yes, only POS. Now who use 11,000 naira. That's what POS. Are you hearing me?
I'm like needed. No POS is 11,000.
Just POS. Now who use 11,000 naira? Do you with Wepotea? I must say okay, fine. 11,000 charges got too much. Yes, now my say go na Azea. So this is what that my boy told me. Then you know me 389,000. Must if you present I got such money. No, I use my own money, make it 11,000. I complete it 400,000 naira. Even by my inside, we now have some costs that we have some expenses reach almost 1.5 million I game expenses. And I called my boss, okay, to help me transfer 1.1 million.
My people, when I don't hear them as it take happen, I beg may you share this video and drop your own opinion for instance.